So in this drape today, what are you expecting? It's a beautiful lehenga and a bandhani sari. In this tutorial, I'm teaching you how to drape a bandhani sari with a lehenga and a crop top. It's a completely new drape, new style. And as we know, the wedding season and the festive season is around the corner. I think you should try these drape. And you will be only able to try these drapes when you subscribe to my channel, because only then will you know that I've posted a new tutorial for you. So don't forget to do that, and also leave a comment. So whenever there is a comment, and you want some suggestions from me, I always personally reply back to all those. So I hope you enjoy my drapes as much as I enjoy every single video doing it for you. I love you, I love my drapes, and I really feel the motto is to spread this beautiful Indian art of draping globally. Alone, I don't think so I'll be able to do it. I need you. So please be my support and give me the reason to spread this beautiful fabric globally. So this drape that I'm teaching you is how to drape a sari on a lehenga. What she's wearing is like a lehenga, you can even call it like a long crushed skirt, and a crop top or a blouse. So we, instead of starting from, I generally tell you to start your basic tuck from here, but in this you have to make your top pleat, the palla pleat. So this is how you do. So just start doing this and putting this on your shoulders, and use these pegs to hold all your pleats in place. Just take this and just do this, peg this up and throw this back. Same thing, you do it again, peg this, throw it back, and keep making pleats neatly and throw it back till you have this length. The sari is from the designer Dolly Jain. She does beautiful bandhani saris, and this is a bandhani sari. Normally people feel bandhani is a little difficult to wear, but if you know the right way of wearing a bandhani sari, you will fall in love with it. So this is how you do once you've placed the palla on top and you've finished off with this. So with this part, what you need to do is tuck this part here, this, and from back just bring the sari, and same way, instead of putting it straight, just put it like this. Now cover your bust, come this side, and just like this, pull this tight. So after you've added a pin here, nicely bring this, pull this down, shape your waist, and as tight as you can. Not that you pull so much tight that you tear the sari. Just pull decent amount and just add a pin here. After that, what you do is you start making your lower pleats. Now how you make lower pleats in this is, just take this, throw and hold. Doesn't work here, this works here. So little finger and the thumb, the little finger and the thumb, the little finger, thumb, and you do it till here, okay? After you've done that, just open your pleats like this. Can you see? Yeah. After you've done that, just take a pin and attach it so that you don't have to, what if it falls? You don't have to redo the whole pleat. So after you've done this, you've made your pleats, take the whole pleats and tuck it right below your navel like this. Although you can wear it like this also, it's looking beautiful, but the trick is, take this part and start making your pleats from here. Like this, okay? Take a safety pin, take a pin and attach a pin here. Now what you do is, turn around. So now what you do is take this as a side thing and tuck this part here. Yeah. So this is how the sari looks from front. I mean, this is like a beautiful drape where you didn't want the whole sari to look blue. You wanted to give a break. You worn it with a mustard lehenga, and the lehenga is visible from down. I mean, if you want, you can even pull it little higher. And this comes like this. And then just take this palla down and just to adjust this. Yeah. So this is how you drape a sari on a lehenga. This can be worn by a bride, a bride's mother, bride's sister. And I think this is like very, very flattering. It's very easy to carry and it's like the easiest drape, I think. If you actually pre-drape and keep it, I think it's like a cakewalk. So I hope you enjoyed this drape and do wear this drape, leave comments, give suggestions because suggestions are always welcomed. So yeah, tell me, how was this drape and how are you feeling?
I learned it in one day so much, and this is so easy, like we don't think of, but you made it so easy that I can only drape myself. And like we always wear a lehenga or sari, but this is like a mixture of both. So this is so cool. I'm definitely gonna try on my own. I have like the confidence when ma'am has done it by herself. So thank you so much for
So enjoy your festive season and keep trying saris and keep loving me and don't forget to subscribe.